I am Mr. Angel, an artist with Arts for Learning Miami. I teach visual arts and craft in each one of my classes. In this series, I will teach in different arts activity, visual arts and craft help develop creativity and critical thinking skill. We will be working with different materials, ideas, and tools to make great art. Let's get ready. Our activity today is a making bracelet like this and use it weaving technique, and this is our looms. We are working with weaving today. This is the material we're using today. Cotton, string, the different color, ruler, scissor, pencil, marker, and cardboard, recycling cardboard, and some container for making a circle. Get ready and take your material. Okay, we making a bracelet and use a thread, cotton thread, and for your bracelet. Let me show you where you cut 13-inch one color like that. You measure it 13 and double, and use the scissor. That's it, and you put in here, and you need 4 pieces, whatever color. I have a bunch of color. You see the colors, and you need 4 pieces double like that. You remember the first 13 double and cut. I have already a bunch of color. I like it this color. I pick up this color. You put in a 1 color, 2 color, 3 color, and 4 color, and put together 1, 2, 3, 4 together. In the middle you make a knot, not too longer, but it's a little knot, a little eyes like that, this, okay, and put on the side for now, and make continue from the cardboard. And this grocery stores, you ask even some box and doing the circle. You make a found some container 4-inch or 4.5. That's okay, or 5 is okay, like that. This 4.5, 4-inch, 4.5. This one is 4.5, and you trace it. Put it in the middle on the cardboard. Make a circle like that, and use a scissor and cut. See, I have already for show you like that, okay, and take a ruler and trace it 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. No problem in the center to here. This is the center, like that. Okay, I have already 2 another here, and use the scissor. This is the line, and you cut 1/2 inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you cut the corner like a V, and doing like a flower. You cut all around. You see, this one is the sample. For example, this, cut this, and you cut like that. Okay, and then cut the next, cut this one, and you take that beautiful flower. Now I have a mesh in the center. Take a pencil, put it 2 fingers here, like that. Not too much. You don't need to cross the finger. Little hole. This, okay, like that. That's okay. And take your yarn and you count. You need 7 because you have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see, you have 8, and you pick a 1 for take it off and cut. I don't know what you like in the red. I put it off, extra, and you cut. Tick a little. That's it. No use it. And now this one you pass, and the little hole like that. Complete. Like that. Okay? Now you take a 1 color, pass over there. Maybe another color, orange, purple, yellow, purple, and red and purple. Okay, like that. You have 1 space extra. Now, like that, you count 1. For example, here 1, 2, 3. Number 3 come in the space free. You twist 1, 2, 3. Number 3 and the space is free. 1, 2, 3. The space 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, maybe you 1, 2, 3, and you make it doing. Be careful, and the bottom here not tangling, and you separate. And now you have a bunch of, you pull, you making it doing 4 times around. You pull. You see that pull? Okay. Now again, 1, 2, 3, and a space free. 1, 2, 3, and a space empty. 2 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 4 times. You see the cross? Now you need to pull. Separate. You pull. Put your finger like that. This. And pull. In. Okay? Let me show you the other. When I do it, look at this. You see? And again, 1, 2, 3. Number 3 is here. 1, 2, 3. Twist. And the front, all the time in the front, the empty space. 1, 2, 3. Twist. The front to me. 1, 2, 3. You see, get a bunch of separate to here. Okay, now you need to pull. Look at this. I pull on the here like that. You see? Okay. Now again, when you started this way, 1, 2, 3, or when you all the time you finish is the same way. 1, 2, 3. This way. 1, 2, 3. This way. 1, 2, 3. This way. Never you change for the other way. Now you look at this and you pull again. Pull. Never you change the other direction. When you start one direction, you finish it for the same direction. And you start in the other direction, you keep going all the time when you finish the other direction, okay? Like that. Look at this. Another, almost finished. Look at this one. When you finish, when you measure your hand, look at this. It's no, almost, the half. And keep going working. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And measure it. And you measure it all the time when it's closed. No. Okay. It's when you're ready to finish and you take it off. For example, and this one is mine. And finish only, you take it like that. This. Up, 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 up. This one for a baby, but that's okay. And other children. And take it. You see the hole, this one? And you put in the hand over there. And you take it 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You tie. You see? Okay. Now, when you take it, this one, like that, you separate the four pieces. For example, sorry, this one. 4 pieces one side and three on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a knot like that. This. Okay, you're never more that weaving. And now like that. This. And when you're finishes and somebody help you and put in that over there, or you take it there, a little hole, and you put in the number 3 thread over there and put in your hand and like that and making a knot. Okay, let me see. All right, that's extra, and you don't like it, cut, and that's it. I had a great time working with you today, and I hope you come back to do art with Art for Learning Miami and Mr. Angel.
Don't forget to ask a parent or a guardian to share pictures or videos of your project and tag A4L Miami and use the hashtag A4L at home on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter.